agyayevam gunandoshan maya dishtanapi swakan dharman sat santyajya sarvan mam bhajet satcha sattama. This is the 11th canto of Bhagavatam, chapter 5, verse 41. Uddhava Gita, Krishna tells Uddhava, he who has renounced the duties of his own station of life, in other words, he has given up all the duties and responsibilities of his varna or ashram, by believing that pure bhakti in Krishna is the only goal, and even knowing that I have advised the practice of such duties as a means of purification of the mind, is a bhakta or devotee of the high order. One commentator, Mukunda Das, says that one who even knowingly, fully well that the performance of the duties of varna and ashram life cleanses the mind and develops knowledge, and if he doesn't perform these deep duties, he goes to hell if he renounces these duties.